horsey, horsey! Calm down, horsey! What is going on, guys? It's your boy Louis, aka Kuma Matata for my gaming peoples, and I'm driving to my usual spot because I'm gonna check out what's wrong with the trunk, see if they was messing with it, if a wire came loose, because I'm pretty sure the previous owners had the same issue that I'm having now. That I'm having now, because it has a bougie ass fix where they put the wires together and they have a red tape of some sort, and it looks very, very sloppy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out everything that I have in the trunk manually from the inside, and then from there I'm gonna prop it open manually, and I'm gonna see what's going on with the wires. Let's get to it. But first, with the magic of editing, let me give you guys a little cold start. I kid you not, as soon as I turned off the camera right now and I rolled down the windows, I consequently was like, okay, let me just hit the, the release button. And I hit the release button here, and I just heard the trunk popped open. Goodness gracious! Moment of truth. Son of a gun. Okay, so when I went to the junkyard, I took this part off, which is from 2003. So I'm gonna replace this with this, and with a better fix right here. Okay, the moment of truth. The button. Great success. So this is perfectly done. This looks way much better than that crap that was there. That versus this. Come on now. Holla at your boy. Now I will put this back properly, because I was seeing some water there, and I'm guessing because it came in through there. So I'm gonna seal it properly, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, again, I tucked it in. I use the clip remover, so I could just squeeze that thing inside there. Make sure it was very snug and doesn't come out. Either this one. So let me test it out again. So everything seems to be working. Now I'm gonna put the clips back on this. I'm gonna pull it back, and that's it. Okay, so final test, it is done. I put everything back on, so let's test again. One. And two. So twice is the lucky charm. So everything's all ready, so that's it. So there you have it, we checked, and it seems to me that because the trunk opened, that leads me to believe that it was a wire issue. And as you saw, did everything proper back there. Now those connectors are not the best connectors, but they are acceptable. If you're gonna do electrical work on a car, everybody knows that the electrical part of a car is like the most difficult. And that's why the electrician charges so much money, because not a lot of people know how to deal with them. And on a side note, you know how difficult it is to record or to make a video out here? Because everybody that freaking passes here in the Bronx is so freaking nosy. Jesus, they just stare for no freaking reason. Like, damn, move on, buddy. Jeez. So yeah, it was a good success. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like. And if you're new, just give me a subscribe, because that tells YouTube that I'm doing a great job. And they should promote me. Until next time, let's go Matata out. Peace. Whoa, horsey, horsey! Calm down, horsey. Damn. Woo! I got excited for a little bit there, you know what I'm saying?